Let's study 9th standard ICSE biology chapter 18, health organizations. Now by far this is the most critical, crucial and difficult chapter in our syllabus. Section 16 18.1 is cancelled. Let's go for the two health organizations we'll study about are Red Cross and World Health Organization. Both of them are very important in the world. Right now the World Health Organization helps us in fighting various epidemics and pandemics. It helps us to coordinate between different countries and pool together the best brains in the world. The best doctors and scientists come together and collaborate to save humanity from a virus or anything which might turn us into a zombie. The Red Cross is symbolized by a red cross. That's the emblem, painted on a white background. Often you see ambulances, etc. using this symbol, which is not legal, but it's okay. The main function is to perform activities which should prevent or remove human sufferings in peacetime as well as at the time of war. We have many Red Cross ambulances in every country. They have their headquarters in Geneva, that is in Switzerland. Amazing place. The major activities, well, learn any five. Let's learn the first five. First, to extend relief and help to the victims of any calamity, that is flood, fire, famine, earthquakes, etc. Many people volunteer to work for Red Cross. It's a non-profit organization. Second, to procure or collect and supply blood for the needy victims of war or other calamities. Third, to extend all major first aid in any major accident. To educate people in accident prevention, that's the fourth point. And fifth, to arrange for ambulance service in all emergencies. The Red Cross Day is celebrated on 8th May. Now, the World Health Organization was established in 1948. It's a specialized agency of the United Nations Organization. Today it's just called United Nations, UN, which has many specialized agencies like ILO, UNICEF, UNESCO, etc. WHO is very important. Well, it was created by the member countries of the UN as an international body to look after the health problems of the people of the whole world. You see, if your neighbor's house is on fire, then your own house is at risk. So countries need to cooperate with each other to fight diseases which can spread easily from one place to another. One major victory of WHO is that smallpox has been eradicated because of mass vaccinations. The second disease which might get eradicated from the face of the earth very soon is polio. Its headquarters are also in Geneva, beautiful place. Well, the member countries often have signed a document called International Sanitary Regulations, according to which they have to share information about the diseases prevalent in their countries and what they're doing about it. There are some internationally notifiable diseases like malaria and smallpox, although smallpox has not been reported for the last many decades. Even other diseases like AIDS, tuberculosis, yellow fever, cholera may be notifiable. The main activities of WHO, well, learn any five. Number one, to collect and supply information about epidemics. Second, to promote and support projects for research on diseases. Third, to supply information on the latest developments about the use of vaccines, cancer research, nutritional discoveries. Nutritional discoveries as in, is Horlicks better than Complan? No, not that, something major. Control of drug addiction and also about health hazards of nuclear radiation. To suggest quarantine measures, isolation of patient to prevent spread of diseases to others. Whenever somebody is sick, they should be isolated immediately so that the disease does not spread. And sixth one, that is the fifth point you'll learn, is organize campaigns for the control of epidemic, which is widespread, or endemic, which is local disease. Example of endemic disease is goiter. Now, goiter usually happens in the Himalayan regions. It is not spread all over the country or all over the world.
Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.